Hello student, welcome to video lecture of class 10th. Myself Abhishek Srivastava. I will teach you chemistry. Now start your first chapter is chemical reaction and equation, and this is your 7th lecture in this chapter. In previous lecture we discussed about some important question related to in this chapter, and today we also discuss some question related to this chapter. Now first question is, write one equation each for decomposition reaction where energy is supplied in the form of heat, light or electricity. In this question we write down the decomposition reaction where energy is supplied in the form of heat, light and electricity. Now we write three decomposition reaction where energy is supplied in the form of heat, light and electricity. Now first one, decomposition reaction which required heat, that is that types of decomposition reaction where energy in the form of heat, then that types of decomposition reaction is said to be thermolytic decomposition reaction or thermal decomposition reaction, which also known as thermolysis. That is when heat is required in the form of energy, then that types of decomposition reaction is said to be thermolysis. Now example of these types of reaction is decomposition of potassium chlorate. When potassium chlorate is strongly heated, then form KCl and oxygen. That is potassium chlorate, two molecules of potassium chlorate are heated or form KCl and oxygen. For balancing here, two molecules of potassium chlorate, two molecules of KCl and three molecules of oxygen. Now we move to next, when energy supplied in the form of light. Decomposition reaction which required light, that is that decomposition reaction where energy in the form of light, then that types of decomposition reaction is said to be photolytic decomposition reaction or photolysis. And example of these types of reaction is decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Here hydrogen peroxide decompose or form water molecule and oxygen. For balancing, here written as two molecule of hydrogen peroxide or form two molecule of water and one molecule of oxygen. Now we move to next type, when energy in the form of electricity. Now decomposition reaction which required electricity, that types of decomposition reaction where energy in the form of electricity, then that types of decomposition reaction is said to be electrolytic decomposition reaction or electrolysis. And example of these types of reaction is decomposition of sodium chloride, that is sodium chloride decompose in presence of electricity or form two molecule of sodium and one molecule of chlorine. For balancing, here written as two molecule of NaCl, two molecule of Na and chlorine. Now this is the format of this types of decomposition reaction. Now we move to next question. Balance the following chemical equation, and first one is barium chloride BaCl2 plus sulfuric acid H2SO4 are form barium sulfate plus HCl. And for balancing we have following method to balancing. First type we written as hit and trial method, that is here barium molecule 1 in product barium molecule 1, so it is balanced. For chlorine, here chlorine molecule is 2 and here chlorine molecule is 1, so we written as here 2. And here hydrogen molecule is 2, here hydrogen molecule are complete 2. Here sulfate SO4 sulfate molecule is 1 and here sulfate molecule is SO4 1. So this is the balancing, and this method is said to be hit and trial method. And next type is a shortcut technique method. In this method we written as some substitution of this equation, that is here written as this equation and we write as this, and we write some constant variable, that is small a barium chloride, small b dot H2SO4, small c dot barium sulfate, small d dot HCl. Here we written as small a b c d, some variable in front of this compound. Now for solving these types of question, first we written as some compounds and elements separately. For barium, here barium molecule in reactant, no molecule is present, so we written as barium A, so A. For barium here is A, and for product barium how many barium is C, A equal to C. And for chlorine, here chlorine 2 molecule present and here is A, so 2A. So for chlorine 2A, and in product chlorine here D is present, so for chlorine in product D. H, hydrogen in reactant, here 2 hydrogen are present, so 2B, and here product hydrogen is 1, so 2B is equal to D. And sulfate, whole, if here SO4 and SO4 not present in reactant and product, so we written as separate for S, for O. Here SO4 present in reactant and SO4 present in product, so we written as that compound SO4. Here SO4, how many compound of SO4? B, so written as B. And in reactant, in product SO4, C, so B is equal to C. Here 4 format are A is equal to C, 2A is equal to D, 2B is equal to D, and B is equal to C. For solving this, we assume any A, B, C, D, putting any numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and checking out no fraction are form. If here we put D is equal to 1, D is equal to 1, so we get 2A is equal to D and A is equal to half. So there is a fraction. So we assume just like this, no fraction are form. Here we put small a is equal to 1. Let small a is equal to 1. You also put C is equal to 1. You are free. Here a is equal to 1. So if we put a is equal to 1, then we get C is equal to 1. So C is equal to 1. And a is equal to 1 we put. So 2 into 1, 2. So D is equal to 2. D is equal to 2. And D is equal to 2. And 2B is equal to 2. So 2 cancel out. B is equal to 1. So B is equal to 1. We know our value of A, B, C, D. Putting this value in this above equation, we get the balance equation is BaCl2 plus H2SO4. Here 1 molecule, barium sulfate 1 molecule, and value of D is 2. So 2 molecule of HCl. Here DHCl, 2 molecule of HCl. And this is the format of shortcut technique for balancing the equation. Now we check other question for using this technique. Now here calcium carbonate plus H3PO4 in product Ca3PO4 twice plus H2CO3. Here 2 compound of reactant and 2 compound of product, and we balancing this using shortcut technique. First, this equation written as this form: small a times CaCO3 plus small b times H3PO4, small c times Ca3PO4 twice, and small d times H2CO3. Now here this format is written, and we written as false different compound and elements. For Ca, calcium. Here calcium in reactant, how many calcium are present in reactant? 1, and here is A, and in product calcium is present in 3, so 3C. A is equal to 3C. Here carbonate, we taken as both simultaneously, that is CO3 and CO3 are present in CO3. If CO3 not present in product same as, so we written as C and O separately. Now here for CO3 it's present in 1 molecule, and here for CO3 present in 1 molecule, so written as A is equal to D. For H, hydrogen, here H present 3 molecules, so 3B, and here H present 2 molecule, 2D, so 3B is equal to 2D. And PO4, here PO4 present, so here PO4 1 molecule, that is B, and here PO4 present 2 molecule of C, that is B equal to 2C. Here 4 format are written as, and here you are free to assume any natural numbers and no fraction are formed for any values. Here we let C is equal to 1. C is equal to 1, so we get A is equal to 3. So we get A is equal to 3, and A is equal to 3, so 3 is equal to D, so D is equal to 3. And putting the value of D is equal to 3, 2 into 3, 6, 3B is equal to 6, so B is equal to 2. So B is equal to 2. We get the value of ABCD, and putting the value of ABCD in above equation. Now balance equation is 3 times CaCO3 plus 2 times H3PO4 in product Ca3PO4 twice 1 molecule and 3 molecule of H2CO3, and this is the balance equation. Using this lecture, you can solve your homework. Balance the following: Fe3O3 plus aluminum product Al2O3 plus Fe. Second one is Fe plus H2O in product Fe3O4 plus H2, and barium chloride, aluminum sulfate product barium sulfate plus aluminum chloride. Balance in this equation. And this is your last lecture in this chapter, and you will be prepared for test of this chapter. Thank you.